Hi again, P4, Mr. Hammonds. Okay, so let's put adverbs to one side. It's Thursday in your literacy topic pack, and we are looking at history today. So we have started off looking at silk, obviously, because that's pretty important to the Silk Road, I would think. And we learned a bit about how silk is made and how it only came from China back in those days. So it was a very rare and expensive item, but also very popular, very cool in summer, warm in winter. Beautiful designs, feels lovely. And your job today is to design your own silk jacket. Now, I've got a couple of examples here. So here are some silk jackets for women, and as you can see, many different cultures use silk, certainly Chinese and Japanese, but Indian. And you'll notice there too, silk jackets in very European sort of styles as well. So you can have all sorts of different designs. I do want you to use your imagination, though. I don't want to see a jacket just with one colour and that's it. So think about some of those amazing designs. You can see all the stitching on this particular one here. This one over here has got lovely designs as well. Dragons often featured on Chinese jackets. Skipping over here to some of the male jackets. As you can see, that one there's got a dragon on it. Some different colours used. So there was all sorts of very cool designs. So your job, indeed, is to design a silk jacket, both front and back, and make it the very best jacket you can, because on the next page, you are going to sell that jacket. So what you need to do, you need to imagine that you're a trader on the Silk Road, and that you're a silk trader, in fact. You've got this beautiful jacket. You've actually just designed it yourself. You need to be able to sell that jacket to somebody. So first of all, what you need to do is come up with a name for your company. Every trading company has its own name. And then what you want to do is write some sentences down that will advertise your jacket. Why is your jacket so special? Why indeed is silk so special? Pretend you're coming across somebody who's never seen silk before, never touched silk before. And I want you to go through all those things that we already know about silk that made it so popular and write that down in the advertisement for your jacket. So don't just mention the silk, the wonderful things about silk, but also mention the wonderful things about your specific jacket. What makes your jacket stand out from all the rest, and where would you wear it, in what situations? Again, you can see there are lots of lines there. I'm not going to accept one or two sentences. I want to see more than that. I want to see a proper paragraph. And you're pretending that I'm your customer, or Ms. Wu is your customer. So you're really trying to convince us to buy your jacket compared to all the other jackets out there on the market, which will be all your friends in the class. So that is your job for today. Design your jacket, and then advertise your jacket. Make it attractive and something that I can't afford not to buy. Okay, again, any questions, you can contact Ms. Wu or Mr. Hammonds on Seesaw. Have a lovely day.